How to add videos to my eyes, only on Snapchat. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to add videos to My Eyes only on Snapchat. My Eyes only. This is where you can store private videos and photos that you don't want anyone else to see. So to add videos to My Eyes only on Snapchat, first open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap Memories icon in the bottom left corner to access memories. It looks like a grid of squares. Go to My Eyes only to set up it by swiping. Tap Setup to start. Set a strong passcode for My Eyes only and remember it well. Tap Continue. Then tap Finish. Now, tap Memories icon in the bottom left corner to access memories. Find the video you want to hide and tap on it to open it. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those. Select Hide Snap, My Eyes Only, from the menu. A pop-up will ask you to confirm. Tap Move to transfer the video to My Eyes Only. Once you've hidden videos, you can access them anytime by swiping to go to My Eyes Only. Entering your passcode. And this is your hidden videos. With these simple steps, you can easily add videos to My Eyes only on Snapchat, and adds an extra layer of security. And this is how to add videos to My Eyes only on Snapchat. If you have any questions about adding videos to My Eyes only on Snapchat, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.